Step 1. Remove the controller box. Step 2. Unplug the main wire. Step 3. Remove the twines. Then unplug all the wires connected to the main wire. When you install the new main wire, insert the wire harness of the corresponding color. Thread the main wire through the hole and out. Connect the main wire to the controller. Put the controller in the box and tighten the 4 screws. The last step is to tie the thread so that it looks neat and beautiful.